You want to piss people off? Go outside and hire all your outside for your promotions. And I'll tell you, my best hires have always been people I've promoted. The no asshole rule. I can't say this enough. In organizations, you're going to have some people who are very effective, but they're assholes. They're terrible. And you know what? It's very hard sometimes to fire those people because they're getting the results. But if you want to hurt a company, have a bunch of those in your company. And long term, it's going to do more damage than good. How do I increase my leasing? No, flip it. How do I make sure my leasing staff leases nothing? Well, number one, don't answer the telephone. Number two, don't call anybody back. You can just go down the list because it's so much easier for us to find negatives than it is positives. And once you create the list, flip it, invert it, and make sure you're not doing that stuff. Learn what actual delegation is. A lot of people think delegation is, I told you to do it. Well, there's parts of this. When you tell someone what to do it, you have to make sure they know how to do it.